Hi folks, Mike McCormick here from Modern Muscle Cars in Central Florida. Today I want to show you this Superformance Cobra that we've got here. This is a true Shelby Cobra. Superformance, for those of you who are familiar with the replica Cobra builds, Superformance is the top of the line. It's the actual Rolls Royce, so to speak, of replicas. These are factory built in South Africa. And Superformance is the only brand, the only manufacturer who's licensed by Shelby himself. So it's licensed to be a true Shelby Cobra. And this is a brand new one. It has 64 miles on the odometer, 427 under the hood. It's immaculate. Superformance, again, is the best of the very best. Nothing but the very finest parts go into these. And we have this priced, believe this or not, we have this priced the same that you'd expect to pay for a backdraft. Nothing wrong with backdraft. Great car. But Superformance is, again, the Rolls Royce, the finest parts, the finest everything. And we have this at backdraft pricing. So give us a look on the web, ocalamuscle.com. But right now, let's go for a ride. People often ask me what the difference is, the biggest difference between backdraft and Superformance, and my easy answer is just come and drive them. You can tell the difference when you drive the two. Backdraft is okay, it's a great car, but when you get in a Superformance, it's a different feel. It's more of a sports car-like, it's more of a car-like feel. Definitely feel the difference in the quality of workmanship and parts that they use in these, all in the drive.